Everybody, we have this thing called Teardown but worse. If you read the description, it's like terrible. Like you should be able to, it's like realism, but I think you should be able to breathe on your own. But it wants you to press buttons and shift like that, Q. I'm just gonna try it. And then we're gonna try out some map like this. So yeah, first let's do the sandbox. Let's do this one. I'm just gonna, yeah, this worst teardown. Yeah, you see, what was just happening? My lungs are gonna fail. I need food. Where's my fork? Like, dude, come on. You are hungry. Yeah, I know that. No. Come on. No, I died. Dude, like, come on. This is insanely hard. Okay. Yeah, that's that mod. I do not like that mod. But it was kind of a good challenge. But yeah, let's try the other map now. What's this? It's a kind of nice car, I guess. But look, it's got even a sunroof. That's cool. What is it doing? What is my screen? What's in the manhole? I want to see. What? What is this? A pizza box? Pizza? Is that what this is? Is there anything in it? No, there's nothing in it. It's amazing it actually has sewers. I'm guessing this is going to be one of those insanely detailed maps. What's this? I want to know. Oh, it's a bomb. Okay. I was kind of guessing it might be a bomb, but yeah. It's a nice low bed. I like low beds. They're kind of fun. What is happening? But yeah, I kind of figured out how to do this. So, yeah. F? No. What's the button to change it from save? Because, what do I do? Okay, I'm just gonna figure it out. But let's check out the map. Anyway. I'm still pressing buttons. Yep, kinda knew that, actually. Did the whole gas station blow up? Oh yeah, I remember. Why can't I go? Oh, I can go here. Okay, never mind. Splash. What is this? Okay, I thought that would explode because there are a lot of stuff exploding. Okay. What's in the porta potty? Nothing. There's no poop. Nothing. Yeah, there's nothing in here. What's around here? Oh, why would that explode? I don't know. Is this a lightsaber? Is this a lightsaber? Can I actually cut things with this? No, that's kind of sad, but this is really cool. Come on, let me see the tree. What's the satellite doing here? Will it blow up? Okay, no. What's in the satellite? Stuff. What's in the satellite? That's what's in the satellite. What's this? can like call down aliens or something. I don't want no aliens. Just blow up the gas station because that's what we need right now. What? That just, oh, that scared me. It's like the whole roof is falling on me. What's in here? Nothing? Or is there some secret? What was that? What did I just see on the bottom of my screen? 21? That kind of scares me. What? What? Oh yeah, I saw that you can make this super. I changed this. I remember. Murdered myself just then. Okay, this is just fun, but yeah. This spamming is so laggy. It's not like an abandoned house. Oh, squid. Sid the squid. I saw Finn Pirate called him Steven, but I wanted to call him Sid. Sid, yeah. I'm pretty sure he's also indestructible. Can I drive this car? What? It's like the most default car you can get, right? Sid. Just ran him over. Oh, and then I just killed myself. Okay. Let's jump our way back. Yeah, this mod is fun. Boom. Where's Sid? Did Sid die? No, he didn't die. He's just a lot darker now. Okay, good. Where are you? Where are we taking you? Where should we take you? He's holding him by one of his legs. Up you away. Up you go. Boing. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can catch him. No, I couldn't catch him. I got stuck on this. Go up, up, and away. Can I catch him? No, I missed. And you know, you can actually catch him just by right-clicking. Yeah. Oh, man. Let's see. I'm still trying to figure out how to do this. No, that's F is the light. But just how? How do you do this? I did it before. I did do it before. Guess I'll have to figure it out later. Oh yeah, the collapser probably would work here. Where's Sid? I want to collapse him. There's Sid. Oh man, all his legs came apart. They're all in pieces now. Is he dead? Where are his eyeballs? Oh, seriously, where did his eyeballs go? Did he even have eyeballs? I'm pretty sure he did, right? Where are his eyeballs? CPG. Cold plasma generator. Yeah, this is very fun. Okay, that'll be the end of the video, guys. I'll see you all next time. Bye.